Yo, and welcome to Shooting the Soil. We finally ordered the microscope that I've been talking about for so long. Let's unbox this LW Scientific i4 Lumen microscope. Whole lot of bubble wrap. They did a really nice packing job. And here is the epifluorescent attachment. A big shout out to LW Scientific. Their customer service was awesome in ordering this product. And you can check them out at lwscientific.com. And here it is. And oh boy, is it a solid heavy unit. Alright, time to start assembling. First, we're putting on the epifluorescence top-down lighting unit. This is going to allow us to do a whole bunch of cool stuff on the channel, so like and subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Next up is our trinocular head. And now we're going to attach the photo tube. Next up is to attach our Infinity PLAN objectives. These caps are a nice little feature to help keep dust out of your microscope when you don't have an objective attached. And just about got our 10x, our 40x, and 60x objectives attached. I like how big the rotating mechanism is, and it feels real nice too. Time to plug her in. Here it is in all its epiness. Well, time to throw the microscope adapter on the camera. This is a Sony A7C full-frame digital DSLR. And just like that, we are ready to go. Let's give it a test. And right out of the box, with hardly any adjustment, I was able to get this image pretty much right away. We are looking at a tiny little root dropped on the slide, and look how well the microscope can see into it. And it looks like we got some endophytic fungi. Here is that same root with the epifluorescence turned on. Now all the fungal hyphae in that root are really standing out. Now we are in at 400x, looking at the fungal hyphae in the root, and I don't think I've ever seen hyphae this clear while inside a root. You can make out their septi and everything. And now we'll take one last look at the root in 400x bright field, then engage epifluorescence. Now we are going to turn down the bottom light on the microscope, increase the ISO on our camera a little bit, and we're starting to see a little bit of green glow down there with the epifluorescent light. But it's going to take me a little bit to get the camera set up, really dialed with the microscope, and then things are really going to start glowing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little test and unboxing of the i4 Lumen. There's going to be a whole bunch of good stuff to come on the channel, so hit those buttons if you would be so kind, and we'll catch you on the flip side.